Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you how to remove a write-up from an image like this to transform it to by removing the write-up from an image like this. Walk with me into the class and then you see the importance of this tool called Content Aware Tool. So now for Photoshop user, you click on your Windows key, open your Photoshop, type Photoshop here. Photoshop, click enter, and then as your Photoshop boots on, let's allow it to open a bit. Alright, your Photoshop is on now. You say Control O, that is to open. Or you click yes, then go look at my file that I want to use here. This, and then click open. It will automatically open the file you want to use. So now, dive straight to your content aware to look at it here. Content aware to here. Meanwhile, use your select tool here. Select the area or the text you want to remove like this from here. Then click on your content aware. You want it to look exactly as a given part. That is, from here, drag to an area. You want it to look like this area here. Then press enter on your keyboard. Press enter. It automatically moves to that side. Then press backspace for them. Then press enter again. Then if you see there's a distort section here, look at it, it distorts a bit. Then use your patch tool. You right click here, see your patch tool. Then select it. Select the area where there's a distort like this. And then patch it by moving to the nearest area. Select, move to the other side. Select here and move to the other side. Select again, move to the other side. You have successfully patched that area. The same thing you do for this section here. Use your select to select the text here. Then use your content aware to right click here. Then you move to this area. Then reduce it to this point here. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then press backspace and press enter again. Then you now see an area that is distorted here. Then use your patch tool. Right click here. Select the patch tool. Select the area here. Then for it to resemble, you have successfully removed a write-up from an image. Subscribe for more updates to software designs and we'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much.